Hi, I am Ashish and I head the IoT programs at Jigsaw Academy. I've been part of the growth story of IoT in India throughout my career, and today I want to tell you why IoT matters to you. IoT, or Internet of Things, is the ecosystem of smart and connected electronic devices. Sensors, actuators, servers, and computing devices are all getting connected to a common network to improve our lives, whether at home or at office. Everyday appliances like refrigerators, TVs, washing machines, or transportation devices like cars, buses, and trucks, even industrial robots, are all using IoT to bring in greater efficiency and ease of use. That being said, IoT is used in almost all business domains today, whether it's industrial automation, home automation, transportation, healthcare, smart farming, dairy farming, smart cities, even smart retail. I would even say that most of the items you own at home have been touched by IoT in one way or another before they reached you. And IoT is just getting started. In fact, Gartner predicts that the world will have 50 billion devices connected to the internet by 2020. That's more than the number of humans on the planet. And as per Accenture, the world economy is set to make $14.2 trillion of money in the next decade because of IoT. You know what that means for you? There's going to be a big boom in the IoT jobs in the country. In fact, the IT industry is set to grow by up to 50%, purely riding on the waves of new IoT jobs coming in. And the number of IoT jobs is set to grow by up to 300% in the next 3 years. Before you go, I would recommend you read our IoT India Salary report. As per this report, the IoT professionals are set to earn about 76% higher salaries than their IT counterparts, just because there aren't enough candidates in the market today. In my next video, I will share with you how you can get started with a career in IoT.